If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Eti Mondal ubade Menteri Ketenat Pynmih Bording Kejela habai keren bekinong patai kubor ula penpa bagi jingkermen bagi jela kalala bahaban Pynmih ya ke Bording elektrik namar bakladon ke jingjor uslap bad mentang ke sorkar kelasange bantiat ke Bording ha kedor ke barem bad hagini kita yo ke balalet ke sorkar kelatiat ke Bording elektrik ha kedor lai klur tengka ha ke sisngi ula ong bawala ke jing Pynmih ke Bording kelas sedang bahaban yaj hendrai ke jing penlip ke Bording ne ke load shedding on pat pensange nomor dor hendrai pendunano tang yaki kenta jong ke jing penlip ke Bording ha ke wai pat kaliang menteri ketenat Pynmih Bording ulia thu ba ke jing ekran kerang ya chap khamat halor ke jing temu ke sorkar jela ban penankam de Nuit na Marten ban Pynmih ke Bording elektrik ula ong bo menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal sangma ule keren ba ke National Thermal Power Corporation NTPC ke badan ke projek ke bayadai bat ke ke benta
to reduce load shedding on phased manner. This season we have banked a lot of power with commitment that the moment we are surplus we will return to them. So we are working on that. Moreover, we have reduced our purchasing also because at one point of time we were purchasing at quite high rate. So we stopped purchasing on high rates. That's why we will try to see that as early as possible to reduce, but load shedding may be there with a reduced period. Strategy is that as of now there is nothing to mitigate the problem. But on future basis we are working on various sectors to see that at one time generation can be increased, losses can be minimized. Okay, on this way we are trying to see that our power problem will be solved.
Since the water level has rise, so do you mean that the state is still purchasing per day?
No,
3 crores?
No, now that's what I told, that there are two aspects, because the general perception is that now water is surplus, why again load shedding for quite long duration. See, when water was not available to us for generation of power, we have banked with some other utilities on the commitment that the moment we will be generating, we will refund to them. So that way, one part is that we are refunding to them. Second thing is that where the cost is very high, because ultimately if we pass it on to the consumers, the cost also will go up. So wherever the cost is very high, we stop purchasing also. No, I respect the verdict of the Honorable High Court, and they have taken due importance in this case. See, last few days or months, we were purchasing power at very high rate to the tune of 3 crore per day. So if it is available, we can purchase, there is no problem. And rate is also a factor on which we got to see. First and foremost thing that it should be available in the market. We purchase from private entities also, but rate was quite high.